If you are looking for quality of life in a tropical setting, this smart home set in Puntacana Village is right for you. The concept is completely open, so you will never miss sight of the party or your kids. Isn't this just the perfect spot for a barbecue or a birthday party? The kitchen has a great island and includes most of the appliances. With 4 bedrooms, the bedroom on the first floor is perfect to house guests or for the elder. Here we have 2 bedrooms on the second story that share this beautiful balcony. This huge master bedroom has its own private terrace. And best of all, follow me. The best part, his and her closets. If you are interested in this or other homes in Puntacana Village, please reach out. I am Elisa Thompson, ApartamentosRD, 1-829-540-8039. And don't forget to like and subscribe.